Let's grab a coffee first. I really need energy. Same here. I can't start my day without coffee. What would you like to order? I'll take a caramel latte. What about you?
Just a black coffee for me. No sugar. Do you want anything to eat?
Maybe a muffin? I skip breakfast. They have blueberry muffins, chocolate muffins, and banana muffins.
I think I'll go with the chocolate muffin.
Good choice. It's fresh and warm today.
What about you? Do you want something to eat?
Maybe later. I'm not very hungry right now.
Do you want to sit inside or outside?
Let's sit outside. The weather's really nice today.
The coffee smells amazing. Let's enjoy our coffee break.
Do you come here often? Not really, but I want to start coming more.
Their coffee tastes better than most places. I agree. It's strong but smooth. After this, we should go for a short walk. That sounds nice. Coffee first, walk later.
Moments like this make the day better.
Absolutely. Simple moments matter.